My name is Linda Diamond, and I teach drawing, painting, and digital arts. And today I want to talk about my animal drawing classes. I'm going to be offering animal drawing classes on OutSchool. And I've decided to offer animal drawing classes because kids love to draw animals. So in my animal drawing classes, we're going to be drawing such things as sea turtles. We're going to be drawing bunnies. And we're going to be drawing cats and many other fun animals to draw. So if your learner loves drawing animals, your learner would love my drawing classes. I look forward to seeing your learner in my class soon. And if you have any questions, please message me in the messenger section. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks. Bye now.